welcome back to Four Super Cousins, and we are back with another banger video. So today we're gonna do the Try Not to Sing Disney edition. So Chef Henry a video and then one blogger as well. I know Sandrine. So shout out to Chef Henry and Sandrine Soulfly is behind camera.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. Yardy Vibes, check it out. Subscribe to the YouTube channel Life of a Jamaican Chef. One drop, please. Yardy style.
Alright, here's what's gonna go. The rule is that if you sing, you lose. If your body move, you lose.
So we can like
No
scratch
lip
any part
syncing.
of our body?
No.
No lip syncing, no
When the song
dancing, no
finish-
head backing.
Me have to wait till the song done.
Wait till the song finish, then you scratch.
And the winner, and who have the least amount of who have the most amount of time to move, whatever, them are going.
What parts we like
Alright, we are gonna do 6 hours.
up to 10? No, not 10.
7 points.
7 points.
So when we're done, who have the least?
Lose. What the least? What the least win? Who have the least win? Ready? Now we're gonna start off with Shanice. Ready?
This one of my favorite songs of all time.
Now we have Nika.
That was Ariana Grande and John Legend.
Beauty
and the... Oh yeah, no wait.
You know the one them on. The king. I'll move up to dance in that one day.
That one just have a vibe to it.
I'll move up to dance
Got
in
this
that one.
feeling in my body. Come on.
Some tryna say I'm a problem. So busy, gotta put them in asylum. Some tryna say I'm a problem. Solve it. I'm a monster.
Move that one there, tell them that one.
That one there was Becky G, I'm a Monster remix.
I'm a monster.
When can I see you again? When can we do this again?
curiosity, when can I see you again? I'd come to Wreck-It Ralph and we'd watch Disney movies.
And cooking basically, just wonder when will my life begin.
You know watch Tangled?
No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming.
A whole new world.
And it's like the fog is lifted, and at last I see the light.
And it's like the sky is blue. Really had to go, and I would never stop you, even though we changed to change. And you can find me in the space between. Who is that girl I see staring strange back at me?
That was Mulan Reflections.
Seriously, you need to not be yourself. If you wanna be cool, let me show you how. You break the rules, let me show you how. Build our future together. Every path leads you back to where you are. You can find happiness right where you are.
Love is an open door. Love is an open door. With you, love is an open.
Followed all the rules. I drew inside the lines. I never asked for anything that wasn't mine. I waited patiently for my time, but when it finally came, he called her name. And now I feel this overwhelming pain. I mean, it's in my veins. I mean, it's in my brain.
How that lady?
I always thought that I'd be the queen, and there's no in between. 'Cause if I can't have that, then I will be the leader of the dark and the bad. Now there's a devil on my shoulder where the angels used to be, and he's calling me the queen.
He nice was the last time.
Guys, how was that challenge?
Well, it was challenging.
Haha.
It wasn't nice like the but just a fight for those things, you know?
Okay.
Just a fight for those things.
Me always have to move me and me I try stop move me and. Yes, so fly fam. Where they are back with another video. You see me? As would I say? How would I say? Another day, another dollar. We're out here. We are doing it. You see me? So we are here and we are do. What we are doing, Minis?
Try not to sing Disney edition.
Yeah. So for the next challenge, I'm going night. So when you just comment below the song you want we pick. You see me? For the next song, I'm going night.
For part
For
2.
part 2. So remember, like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah man, make sure we share up.
Make sure you're cool.
Yeah, go like I hear that pull up mate.
Yeah, you say you'll try to stop moving and they still a moving.
A man still a move though. No.
Yeah.
Watch out.
We have got time for already had the video.
Yeah, I was saying people what I weird, but I don't think already. So remember, subscribe, like,
Hit
tell
the
a friend,
phone
tell a
notification bell and share.
yeah man, join the Soulfly fam. Everything nice over this
If
side.
you're not part of the Soulfly fam, what are you waiting for?
Join.
Join it.
Oh, peace. One love.
Like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you'll be post notified when we post another video. Comment down below what you want to do in a part 2. So, peace. Hey guys, welcome back to For Super Cousin. And we are back with another bang. And today we're going to the China to sing Disney Edition.
Disney Channel challenge.
Challenge.
And today
we got Chef Henry doing this video with us. Well, he is videoing, so you will see him soon. He may be showing the video, but he may be not.
Alright.
We're gonna start. He's also playing the music.
Alright, we're gonna start.